A friend of mine invited me to play with him because they were short of players, and I decided to, to take it up. I never thought I'd ever be playing football at 59 years of age, but it's surprised what you can do if you put your mind to it, and it keeps you fit and active. You've got to be a little bit competitive, otherwise it's not worth playing. But after all, it's just a fitness thing. But it's nice to win, but if you lose, it's not the be-all and end-all, it's just a game, isn't it? And it's well worth it to keep your fitness level up. They've got a fantastic idea here. Doesn't matter how old you are, you just turn up. It's fantastic, really look forward to it every Monday afternoon. And I think it's a great idea, to get involved. A good thing mentally as well, to keep your mind active. I really enjoy it, and everybody does as well. It's a good social thing in the community, and we have a bit of a laugh afterwards, we have a bit of a wind up with each other and that, a bit of banter, but it's just great to get out there and play football.